Gusto ko yung maging mayaman pero may purpose, hindi yung maging mayaman para magyabang. Yun. Guys, welcome back to my channel again. Medyo marami tong question na to, and like I said before or last upload ko is I have this question in my phone, so that's why I don't need to remember all the questions, no? Okay, let's start. And 1, 2, 3. Do you believe in love at first sight? Medyo lang. At least naging honest, diba? Are you sorry to someone? Are you sorry to someone? Hindi ko alam. Okay, next. Do you wanna change your life? Medyo konti. Gusto ko mayaman na, nagbibigay ng mga pagkain sa mga, mga pulubi. Ano ba yan? Pulubi. And then, gusto ko mabigay ng mga food sa mga kapitbahay, yung mga walang-wala talaga ba. Yun yung gusto ko, yung maging mayaman pero may purpose, hindi yung maging mayaman para magyabang. Yun. And then, are you willing to go back time? Siguro yung mga panahon na bata ako na, di kasi ako palalaro. Gusto ko mabalik doon sa pagiging younger age ko doon, na, maglaro lang, tas wala iniisip yung problema, ganon. And then, do you wanna change your name? O gusto kong baguhin yung pangalan ko kasi never ko pa narinig yung salitang feeling in my, narinig ko sa kanila. Lagi ko naririnig is, simula high school to college, ang lagi ko naririnig is alburo. Wala akong narinig na feeling. Pero may naman sa akin, may tumawag naman sa akin na feeling, pero hindi maganda yung pagka-pronunciation, so that's why I preferred pa rin, tawagin ako alburo na lang, ganun. And then, last song you listen to, Lucky by Horizon. Favorite one or group, Horizon. Do you want to have kids? Do you want to have kids? I don't know. Best fit for you. Fit. Best fit for you. Dog. Kasi, di ba sabi ko nung last video is, unang video ko pala is, namatay ako ng aso, na love namin magkakapatid yun. Best year of your life? This 2024 and 2023. Yun yung the best year for me. Kasi marami nangyari dong sa 2 year na yun. More opportunity, more blessings, at maraming na-experience. Favorite day of the week? Favorite day of the week is Sunday. It's the rest day at search day. Do you think someone hates you? I think more kasi nung college ako, I feel na maraming hate sa akin kahit di ko sila nakakausap, pero I feel it na they hate me pala. Yun. And what makes you happy? Listening music and making music, and also making arts. Yun. And then, what make you sad? Siguro kanina, yung nakita ko naman tao malungkot. Talo na pulubi ko na makain. Ganun. Next question is, when the last time you had a deep talk with your parents? Nung umuwi ako ng 2022, doon ko siya nakausap ng masisinan na nag-confess ako about the struggling I had when I was college. And then, would you dare to leave your home? Yes, nagawa na namin kasi, nung bata pa kasi kami, or nagdadalaga kami, lagi kami iniwan nila mama. Nagbibiyahe sila. Kasi may kami dati. Kami yung may cargo, no? Kapag nagbibiyahe sila, nagkompra, kami naiwan sa bahay kami apat. Can you speak other languages? Yes, lalo na ako I think na nasabi ko na ito dito last time, no? I can talk English, syempre, Tagalog, Bisaya, at kunting Japanese, kunting Korean, at kunting Spanish, kunting Thai, kunting Chinese, mga mga introduction ng pagana. Pero yung Japanese is, nag-aral talaga kami nung college kami. Nag-study kami ng foreign language. Basta yung, konnichiwa, jinrimashita, watashi wa, worpulito, mushimashita, kushin desu, ganun. Tsaka na-upload ko din sa YouTube to. Yung di ko siya kay kami. And then, do you think you're nice? I'm not sure I'm nice. Because when I was high school, I'm the maldita talaga. Talagang maldita.